Chocolate lava cake, Matty Matheson recipe. Hello, I'm Jamie. This is Anti-Chef. Welcome back to the program. So I'm from Toronto. This city is my home. That's why it's a special episode today as I cover a local hero. Toronto's very own badass chef motherfucker, Matty Matheson. This guy is a whiz at social media. He's got his own cookbook coming out. He's been on late night television. He's got his own Viceland TV show, and he's head chef at a restaurant in this city. This guy is a machine. So today I'm gonna tackle one of his finest dessert recipes, the chocolate lava cake. It's a fluffy cake on the outside, molten chocolate lava on the inside. My oblivious anti-chef brain cannot figure out how you get the molten chocolate lava inside the cake. To me, this is a mystery equivalent to the caramel in a caramel chocolate bar. Okay, lava cake. First things firstly, I've filled a medium saucepan with 2 inches of water. Add a heat-proof bowl on top of the saucepan. I need butter and chocolate. Stirring until the chocolate has melted and the mixture is smooth. Icing sugar. Next I'm gonna add 2 egg yolks. Another full egg. Add the eggs into this chocolate mixture. Quarter cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it all in. 2 ramekins. Grease them. Pour this mixture about 3/4 of the way up. Word on the street is that Matty likes a little salt in his chocolate. Okay, I've now come to the realization that there is no conspiracy behind how you get the molten lava into the center of the cake. It all comes down to the temperature of the oven and how long you bake it. These go into a 425 Fahrenheit preheated oven. 12 minutes. With a knife, I'm going to cut around the edges of my lava cake. I'm going to separate it from the sides. Now I'm going to do the old plate trick. They're not coming out of the ramekins. Son of a bitch. The problem is that the cake, both of these, kind of looking like a volcano. This one's just all sorts of wrong. I'm trying to figure out what the problem was, and I have a feeling. Take 2. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Here are my 2 new lava cakes. These are gonna replace these 2 disasters. This is my last hope right here. I need to know if inside this is any molten lava. I really didn't want to do this, but I think I'm going to try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Here's attempt number 3 at the lava cake. Holy f***, I did it. I did it. It took all these to get to one good one. This one. To be honest with you, I don't have much of an appetite. I've been taste testing these for all day, and by the time I've gotten to this one, I don't really care anymore. I did get the molten lava center, but I've lost interest. Matty, if you're watching this, take pity on me. I didn't want to let you down. Okay, that's it for me. If you like this episode, give it a big thumbs up. That would be awesome. subscribe for more Anti-Chef, and why don't you comment down below what you'd like to see me make next. See you soon.